All right, so this is 2026. And I'm going to tell you guys how it's going to work. If you noticed, I've taken a chieftaincy title in Enugu Ukwu na Umori. And I am Ife Obi Cubana, one of Enugu Ukwu na Umori. Go and Google it. On Friday again, I will take Opato Zuora, one of Oba. That's double chief. What I'm trying to say is that, see all you people that will come to my page when small thing happen, come and be dragging chicken akagidia. I'm not a double chief. 2026 going forward, no dragging. If there's any issue, DM me. Drag him. Can't even pop out the self. Can't even do this. Get my paraphernalia of office. They will say, you will take up for my pianist. What kind of thing? I don't put in a page in. So on a serious note, what I go this year, if you watch my page, it's positive vibes only. Don't bring negativity to my page. I don't like it. I don't deal with it. I'm talking about growth. You're talking about it, dragging. So please talk about how we're gonna make money, how we're gonna put smiles on people's faces, how we're gonna make the world a better place, so that we see where to live for our children and upcoming generation. Not social media. I don't want enough. No dragging this year. Keep it positive, keep it neat, keep it clean, and then we can talk. God bless Nigeria. See to all the people Obi Cubana. Thank you.